Oh yeah.
Have you started? Before we look at the correction of standard form, let's look at the concept. You have focus here. Standard form is any number of the form a times 10 raised to power n, where a is a positive whole number that runs from 1 to number not up to 10. So 1 is greater than or equal to a, but a is less than 10. That is, it runs from 1 to 9.9. The highest value you can have for a is 9.9, and the lowest value you can have is 1. Then your n is equal to, it can be integers. N is integer. That is positive whole numbers and negative whole numbers. Positive or negative whole numbers. Do you get that? So n can be minus 5, minus 8, plus 2, plus 4, can be any whole number, either positive or negative. But importantly, a is our focus. Hello? Are you here? Are you focusing on what I'm doing? A is our focus. A will be between 1 and 9.99. The highest value that a can assume is 9.99, and the lowest value it can assume is 1. It can't be lower than 1. It can't be 0.9. Now let's look at this question. Here, come in. 10,052. You want to express this in standard form. There is an invisible decimal point here. So for us to have our a to be between 1 and 99, in this case, the first whole number here is what? 1. So we find a way to get the decimal point here. The simple form we just do is count the decimal point backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you get it will be 1.0 times 10 raised to power. How many times did you remove it? 4 times. 4. All these other numbers are negligible. That's how to do it. Then you don't need to be doing this. Join this stuff. It will mess up your work. You can just do it using imaginary movement, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the easiest way to do it. What's the second one? The second number, please. What's the number? 2,000. Okay. Call the number as a whole.
500.
Please, somebody call the number for me.
5702.
Who can call this number effectively for me? Bemisiri.
5,700,000.
Thank you. 5,702,000. That's the number. So you have your first digit here is what? 5. The next one is what? 7. It's still within the range of 1 to 9.9. So how do we get the decimal point between 5 and 7, the first two digits? You have to move it from the invisible position. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be 5.7 times 10 raised to power 6. That's the simplest way to do it. Let's look at another one. Please call the number for me correctly. Don't just be calling it randomly. Anybody? We have done that. The next one.
0.00.
One person, please.
0.00438.
0.00438. Now this is a number that is less than 1. A decimal number less than 1. You cannot move the decimal point to the front. You are going to move it to the back. But the key thing is that it has to be between the last two digits. I mean, the first two non-zero digits. It has to be between the first two non-zero digits. And who can tell me the first two non-zero digits here? Just one person.
8 and 3.
First two non-zero digits. It's not it. 4 and 3. This is the first two non-zero digits. If you start counting from the front, 1, 2, 3. Not from the back. You start counting from front. So the first two non-zero digits is 4 and 3. So if you want to move this point between the two, we have 1, 2, 3. So it will be 4.3 times 10 raised to power. How many times did we move it? How many times did we move it? 3 times. But because you are moving it backward, it's going to be negative. So it will be 4.3 times 10 raised to power 3. We are using minus 3 rather. 4.3 times 10 raised to power minus 3. We are using minus 3 because we are moving it backward. Now let's look at another one. Somebody call the number for me.
0.00.
Yes.
00.
00.
17.
0.000017. You can't looking at it from the front here. What is the first two non-zero digits? 1 and 7. So we are going to move this decimal point there. It will be 1. Everybody count along.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. So it's going to be 1.7 times 10 raised to power minus 5. Who can tell me why we are using minus and not plus? One person. We are counting backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Then last but not the least, number is it the last? Remaining 2. Number 5.
0.00. 92.
92, not 92, 92. Okay, let somebody tell me how many times you are going to move this 0. Just move it on your own and tell me when you get it.
5.
I said I don't want chorus answer. Yes? 5 times. Then what will this one become now? 9.2, thank you. Times 10 raised to power minus 5. Now, last but not the least, number 6. The number
4706.
40.
4706.
Is that all?
00.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
That's 4,706,000. 4,706,000. Now, somebody move the decimal point and tell me how many times you will move it before you get between 4 and 7. Maria.
6 times.
6 times. Let's prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 4.7 times 10. So is it minus 6 or plus 6?
Plus 6.
Who can tell me why it's plus 6? One person. I don't want to call it answer. Why are we doing plus 6?
Because we are counting for.
We are counting forward, so it's going to be a positive power. If you are counting backward, it's going to be a negative power. That will be all. Any question on it? Any question? Okay.